the front seal, but I want to make sure that everything else is good and tight. Yeah, that's
I couldn't find any transmission leaks. I added some more transmission fluid to it, topped it off. And the level's right here in the crosshatch, right along in there. Fluid level's good. A windy Friday it is. I ran into a problem earlier. My radiator hose here sprung a leak. I did make a video of it, but the problem was my windsock fell down over in front of the camera sometime during the filming, ruined all that, so there won't be a video, unfortunately. So, looks like it needs a little bit of oil added to it. I have some. Yeah, it's right in the crosshatch. Right in the middle right there. It's okay. I mean, I changed the oil back in December. I put a valve cover gasket on. And once again, I made a video. Something happened. I forgot why I didn't post it. I don't know. But yeah, it developed. The upper radiator hose developed a small leak. Rather than to be stuck in traffic somewhere because the temperature is starting to climb, I went ahead and replaced it. It wasn't a new piece of radiator hose. It was off the red F-150. It was before I changed hoses on it about 3 months before I did the engine swap. So that is a relatively new piece of hose. And it's just been hanging in the shed. And it's been a little bit since I drove it, so I'm going to go ahead and check its fluids. Oh, that's aggravating. There we go. And the power steering fluid, it's full. It's dingy, but it's full. All right. Okay, well, so far it all looks good under the hood anyway. Yeah, I took it out last night, washed it and cleaned it up. And I probably drove it 100 miles, not more. No problems. Yeah, start with just a little bit. Yeah, Harvest King oil. I need to do a research and do a comparison video. Now, Harvest King, that comes from Rural King, by the way. Seems like it's pretty decent oil. I use it in all the forklifts at my workplace. Alright, it's right up to the top of the full mark, which is where it needs to be. Alright. And I'll go ahead and put the top down on it. 280 8,000. And it wouldn't surprise me if it did use a drop or two of oil. But then again, I'm not sure what the mileage is on it now. So but yeah, I am not going to pull the transmission out if I cannot find the leak. Because if it's not leaking, and you know, if it has a front seal, it's not leaking, and I go and put one in it, I run a good chance of installing a leak. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if it does continue to leak, or if it does start up again, then I will have to show some attention to it. Yeah, it's been sitting for probably about a month and a half. I think that's when I drove it. Sometime late February, I think. I can't really remember. Alright, well, that looks good for now anyway. All the other fluids look good. Overflow's a little bit shy, but I'm not going to add any to it. Washer fluid's good, everything else is okay. Alright, well, I guess we'll put the hood down and call it a night. TGIF. I think I want to meet a friend of mine later on. And we're going to do some street photography, I think. And of course, for the upcoming weekend, it's back to yard work if it's not raining. It's supposed to anyway, so might not get much of that done. Okay, well, anyway. That's about all for tonight, and I hope everyone has a good weekend. I'll see you next Wednesday. Thanks for watching.